running out of disk space on Linux. Check your logs. While Linux systems have a reputation for being svelte, you may find that you are suddenly running low on disk space. Why has this happened? This biggest clue and possibly the biggest culprit will be found in your Linux system logs. Logs are an important part of managing your Linux system. You can see what's going on with your machine, and you can also troubleshoot issues that arise. Linux login demands are similar to Event Viewer on Windows. The logs normally do not take up much space. This is because most distributors will automatically manage how much space they take up on your disk. Next, logs have historically been plain text file, but with many major distracts moving to systemed, they are binary files that are managed by a system service. Alternatively, you distribute will either use or because old longs are relevant and large achieves can take up space. Your system will usually rotate them, achieve compress, and ultimately delete them to save the space for the stuff you actually want. While you might not think that logs would take up a lot of space, if a process can fill up your logs faster than the system can rotate them. If you check your disk space and find yourself suddenly running low, and you know you have not downloaded any large file recently, the case may be a problem with your Linux system logs. You are going to have to find out what's filling up your system logs and fix it. You can check how much disk space you are using with the do command. You will see a list of each together with the total amount of space it take up. If you use a modern Linux distro with Systemd, you will also use the program to view your logs. Storage log in the distro depending on the to view the logs, type the command at the shell prompt. There are other useful command line option to view the boot message. Use the option. You can view your system logs message in real time with the F option. If you distro does not use Systemd, you will find the logs in the directory. Even with the Systemd, some programs still store their log in this directory. There are text file that you can examine with a utility like a pager such as less. For example, to read the system log, you can also monitor it in real time with the tail command's F option. In the directory, you may notice file with names ending in where n is a number. This is the result of the system rotating older logs. Most distros have a utility that will do this automatically, called log rotate. Is typically set up to run as a cron job or a Systemd timer. By default, most well-run daily compress old logs using as by the file extensions. It use a like age or file size to do this, and another